Here is how I made $3,000 in just 3 days, and you can do it too without experience, technical knowledge, or risking big money. So first, I had to select a product from researching that is interesting, unique, new, and high converting. And I found one product that was a software that allows users to make money for surfing the internet, which was pretty interesting. So what I did was I went to Google and I researched on the topic and I found some awesome articles. I took one of those articles URL as the thank you page of my opt-in page. And then I built a quick opt-in page. The headline of the opt-in page was based on the article headline. And then I drove $10 PPC campaign traffic to the opt-in page. And unfortunately, that $10 was lost. The campaign failed. So I tweaked a few words on the headline here and there by keeping the main topic intact. Then I tried another $10, failed again. So now I tweaked the background of the opt-in page and added a timer and changed the image a bit, and that opt-in page won. I got a lot of opt-ins, so I know this is a winner. So I drove a lot of traffic and I got a lot of signups through that opt-in page for $100 spent. So total I spent $130. Now I send awesome contents. I gave them that article, other articles, videos for 2 days. I built a relationship with those subscribers, and they came to know me, what I do, the value I can add to their lives, and they fell basically in love with me. And after 2 days, I asked them to buy that offer through my link, and they bought, and I made $3,000. So spending that $130 for ads and testing to make $3,000 was well worth it. But this is how to do it, and this is what you can do every single day. Do you remember the process? The first thing was finding an offer to promote, and then go find customers. We have a customer's mindset. The moment we add a customer's mindset, everything is easy. Number one, find customers first, and then number two, add value to them. When you add value to them, they will buy from you and you make money. That is how to make money. It works with smaller companies, smaller campaigns, to big companies and big campaigns. You can make $3,000 a day too. Go ahead, do it.